Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 business using My Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Alright guys, so the reason we use the $25 business instead of any other business is because it's 80% recurring income, guys. 80% recurring income is absolutely insanity, and I know you guys know that if you are an affiliate marketer in any way, shape, or form. So that's the reason we use this product, and this is the absolute easiest way I've seen to make money online, period, guys. Very simple stuff. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, we're going to check and see what our results are. It looks like we did not get a sale, but we're going to refresh the page just to make sure, guys. Okay, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, not a big deal. So the first thing we're going to do is get you your links so you can use it to promote. This is the link that I personally like using. You can use any of these links, it's perfectly fine. I just like using this one because it promotes 3 different products. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is go to incomespeech.com. There's a link in the description for it. The first link in there is going to take you to this page here, which basically talks about what the $25 business is. Essentially, it's a funnel builder with no real limitations on it. You can make as many funnels and pages you want, which for $25 is a pretty good deal if you ever made funnels before. And they also give to charities if that's interested you as well. And it's just it's a program that's really trying to set up to do good, not trying to scam you in any way. You actually get what you pay for. It's a very good deal. And yeah, that's all it is to it. Like you see here, it's just a ton of information about it. 20 and 100 monthly commissions for each customer referred, so $120 for every customer every month. That's possible. All right, so anyway, we're gonna go to yes I want in. We're gonna try this out, guys. Honestly, you just ain't gonna find a better deal than this. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. If you've been an affiliate marketer for a while, you really ain't gonna find a better deal than this. So yeah, you just put in your information right here, blah blah blah. One more thing I want to show you guys is that this training here, and this is HBA Premium. This right here, you can get it for 14 days free when you click on my link, guys. Click on my link, you can get it for 14 days free, and basically it's training on how to do ads, how to set up a YouTube channel, stuff like that. Just a bunch of stuff like that to kind of get the ball rolling for you if you wanted to promote like that. We're using something a lot more simpler than that, but you can look over that and actually gravitate your, the way you make money to another level. But I'm just showing like the absolute easiest way here. You also get a content AI machine that kind of focuses on promoting this product, so that's really good as well. That's really good. It's kind of like ChatGPT, but it uses this particular program to promote, so it's better to use this if you want to promote this program and products. It's about affiliate marketing, you know what I mean? So anyway, you try that out for 14 days, and the coolest thing about this is that if you get a sale with this, I mean, you get $100. You get $100 since it's 80%. $100 for months, for a month. If you get a sale with this before 14 days are over, you keep that money, even though you don't technically own the program yet, because you didn't pay anything to own it, right? Which is really fantastic. So yeah, just to get you started, trying to help you out a little bit with the money there. So anyway, that's all it is to that. Now let me introduce the method that we are going to promote this product, your link, whatever, right? Now that's going to be the second link, which is My Lead Gen Secrets. It's going to take to a page that looks something like this. Now what My Lead Gen Secrets is you get 100 leads a day that you can mail once per day. And those leads are interested in making money online, but one thing I will say is that they are very, very cold. All right, so they're not gonna buy your product just like that. All right, sometimes they do, but most likely they're not. These are real people, so you gotta keep messaging them to start getting sales with them. Okay, and honestly, some accounts work do better than others, to be fair. This is actually my worst account. That's why I use it for this YouTube channel. I figure I'd do something productive with it. That you guys are more likely going to get a way better account than this. I have 10 accounts. This is the worst one. Got the least amount of sales off of this one. All right. So more than likely you're going to get a much better account than mine. So what we're going to do here, guys, we're going to make us another email. No, you know what? We're just going to go back to an old email that we're going to use here. We're going to use just an old email, guys. We're going to use an old email that I wrote personally. Honestly, I just took some stuff off of this and put it in there. And you can put that in there, and you can copy this email and put it in the ChatGPT to make more emails just like it. You can do exactly that. All you gotta just say, give me an email similar to this, and then put the email in there. That's how you do that with ChatGPT. But we're just gonna send this email here. We haven't in a while. This one's gotten me a lot of sales before, so that's why I like using it. We're gonna just send this. I'm gonna let you guys be able to copy it as well. So you just pause the video, copy that, and you just pause the video. Just pause the video and copy this. All right, guys? That simple. Really cool. It works really well. Gets me the sales. And I'm using it. All right, we're gonna send an email. Make sure to preview as well. Make sure to hit perfect timing. They're gonna send an email around time people check email. Preview it just to check your link, and link works. Since it's an email I already sent before, I don't have to do that. But make sure you do it when you put your email in there. All right, guys. So that's all there is to it, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.